Do you know you can earn money on YouTube without being monetized? Yes, you can. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you ways you can earn money on your YouTube without being monetized and without having much followers or subscribers. If it's something you're interested in, smash the like button and let's get right into this video. Hi my friends, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Angeliroroghene. Welcome to my space. This channel will do lots of vlogs and sit down talks like this. I do living alone series, so if it's something you're interested in, you can check my videos and subscribe to the channel. So yes, let's talk about making money on YouTube. I'm just going to give you guys a very simple way you can earn on YouTube without being monetized. I know the goal is for us to be monetized, and after making that, not everybody tends to see the money or get payment until after 3-4 months, depending. Let me just give you guys a little bit of a background story, and I'm using myself for example. I have 2 YouTube channels, yeah. So this one is where I do my vlog and sit down, and the other one is skincare channel. It's a skincare channel where I talk about skincare, do reviews, do DIYs and all of that. That channel has 13,460 something subscribers. Guys, you know that I don't get paid as before. I could make $100 in a month, but right now in 3 months I can hardly make $100. Like in 3 months right now I am making $38. And one thing about YouTube is you need to make that $100 before you get paid. For some reason, I don't know what happened. For 6 months they stopped ads on my phone. Only people with iPhone were seeing a little bit of ads on my phone or on my channel. So I complained. Later on they brought it back, but since then it's not been the same. But thank God for little things I do that bring money to me. It may not be much and all of that, but guys, it shows that you're doing something. It shows that yes, your platform is bringing you a little bit of success. First of all, these glasses is one of my PR I got for free, and it's from Fremo. So if you want it, you can check the link in the description box. So if you're trying and trying and trying, don't give up. It's worth it. YouTube is actually worth it, and it's stressful, yes, but it is actually worth it. So that aside, let me talk about how you can make money. Okay, so what you want to do first of all is reach out to brands. One thing is you can make money as long as you have up to 500 subscribers. From 500 subscribers and above, yes, you can start making money. I'm going to create a video on how you can get that much subscribers fast, and I'm going to tell you the real truth on how it is done and what to expect. Okay, I'm not going to sugarcoat anything for you guys. I'm going to say it as it is because I have experienced it, I have lived it, so I'm going to tell you guys from my experience. But one thing you should know is YouTube is by luck. Don't let anybody tell you you're not doing anything right. It's by luck. Okay, so if you have up to 500 subscribers, one thing you should start doing is reach out to brands. There are a lot of brands that reach out to you, especially when you start having up to like 500 subscribers. They tend to reach out to you, telling you they would like you to showcase their product. Some may say, okay, how much will you take to post this on your social media? While some will be like, your following or your views are not high, we just want to give you this thing to showcase it. They are giving you the product for free, which is another great way. Like, you can get products for free. Okay, I'm going to leave a little bit of a product I've gotten for free, just few of them. I may not, so I'm just like letting you guys know. So they will tell you want to do it for free. Like this one, they gave me for free. I did not even pay anything. Delivery, no. There's a cream I got. The cream is worth over 300,000. and they give it to me for free, just to give review on the things. So at least even if you're not getting paid, you're having free stuff, and when you're looking at those things, it's making you have hope. But the best way, like I said, to earn money no matter what is by doing affiliate marketing here on YouTube. There are a lot of affiliate marketing that, you just, some of them will give you free things. Some affiliate like Temu gives you a lot of free things. I talked about Temu on my live video, and someone asked me to go in depth with it, and that's why I'm actually bringing this video. So with Temu, you can get a lot of free goodies, and you can, their affiliates is, you get to advertise or showcase their product. You post it. When it is approved, you get money for it. If you're doing Instagram, you get like $3 to $5. If you're doing it on TikTok, like that, for each post that they approve, you get like that. So imagine you're doing like 10 posts and they're approving everything. That's like $30, $30 or $35 or $50, like that. That is something, you understand. So Temu is doing, but one thing about Temu is that Temu does not ship to Nigeria. Temu is for, outside countries. But we also have Amazon storefront, which is where you can, sorry for the distraction, I can't remember where I saw, but anyways, you can also do Amazon front. You can have an Amazon store where you can talk about a product and just get the link, put it there, and people buy. When people buy from that your link, you get a little bit of commission. So another one is Oraimo right now, a lot of affiliates, a lot of people are doing the affiliate market, and Oraimo is something that sells in Nigeria, especially power bank. A lot of people get power bank, their AirPods and all of that. So you just advertise it, talk about it, put the link in the description box, and people click on it, and then you make little commission. Also Jumia, there's one Jumia this thing I'm also doing. That one you make little commission. It's little, but yeah, it's worth it. It's something that comes in handy, you understand. So you can make money from affiliate marketing, and you can also, if you have something you're doing, maybe you're selling this phone right now, you can talk about it. You can even showcase the phone on your channel, and then tell people that, oh yeah, you sell this. You can, they can reach you, or they can leave your link. You can leave your link to your website below. My skincare channel, I talk about skincare. A lot of people are like, how do I get it? How do I? And I tell them, okay, this is where I get it from. I link them to the people, and that's a way of making money as well. Like if you're selling it, if I was selling it, I will tell them, oh yeah, I do sell, and they'll purchase from me. So that is how you can make money, affiliate marketing. Also, some people can reach out to you that I want you to talk about some things, and you can charge them if you want. Just charge them a little bit of money. Okay, yeah, I can talk about it on my YouTube. It's something you can just ship in and say, this thing, this person is selling this, and I got this, if you want this. And mostly they will give you an item, and they will tell you, please help me talk about it. I'll pay you a little bit of money just to talk about it. So yes, you can do that as well. Then if you don't want, maybe you don't want money, you just want free stuff, go on TikTok. Okay, go on TikTok and click on search on how you can get free PR packages. Free PR packages. There are a lot of videos. Try and watch them. Don't just use your data to throw people, or whatever. Use it to like search on how you can improve yourself, improve your business, improve your YouTube, and make money online. Okay, so you can go there and search on it. There are so many videos. You will see a lot of websites, and go to their Instagram. Their Instagram always have a link. Click on that link. Some of them do give away, and they give you really nice things for free, just in exchange for reviews. Just write to brand, write to different brands, even though you may hear, oh, we don't ship to your country, or oh, we're not running a collab. Write, like, keep on writing to different ones, because if you write to 100, maybe 10 or 20 self will write you back and give you stuff for free. These are really nice things. They will give it to you for free in exchange for reviews. I have a lot of free things that I have gotten just for reviews. And you know, most times when I see those free things, I'll be like, I don't mind it. You know, if you don't have to pay me, but I don't mind having those free things because they are really nice. Okay, most of them, like, not most of them, all the things I've gotten, they are really, 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 really nice. So if you want free things, and one thing about these free things is that when you look at it, you will know that, okay, I did this for this brand, or I did this for this brand. And by the time you're uploading things like this that, you know, a brand sent you, you start getting more collaboration emails. One thing is, not all collaboration emails are legit. There are a lot of fake collaboration emails. You have to check the email first before responding. Like, sometimes I send to my friend, I send to my cousin, I'm like, does this thing look legit and all of that? But the way my cousin taught me that for you to know the legit one, they will not send you with Gmail, they will not send you with Yahoo Mail, they will send you with the company email. So when you see it, let's just say let me say Temu, they will say at temu.com, or if it's Shein, at shein.com. It has to do with the company. So if you are seeing all those Gmail, all those things, most of them are not real. Okay, and again, the company always put their sites for you to click on. For these glasses, I communicated with one of them, and they told me, this is our site, go in, pick whatever you want to pick, you know, screenshot it, send us the link and all that, and we'll send it to you. Which is why I filled the form, did everything. The site, they will tell you to go through their site, so they have to have a genuine site. You have to go through the site and all of that. Another thing I don't do is take product that they will say you will pay for the shipping. I'm not going to do that one. You are telling me you're going to give me free gifts, I'm going to pay for the shipping and then give review for you for free. It's like I'm buying the things. So I got this this brand reached out to me recently and was like, oh, I need they would like to work with me. I should pick some jewelries, gave me their site, gave me a code to use to get everything for free. So I was just like, okay. I picked the three, because like I should pick three things. So I picked three jewelries. I'm not really like a jewelry kind of person, but most times when I'm going out or when I'm taking pictures, I just, you know, use it. So or when I want to film sometimes, yeah. So I checked the site and I picked the three, put the code, it showed 0, so you know you're getting it for free. And I went to check out and I'm seeing 67,000 naira. I'm like, excuse you, I would buy these things for less that shipping amount. So they are using the shipping amount to get back. It's like you are buying the things, so you are buying these things from them, and I'm not going to do that because I've gotten a lot of free good things that I did not have to pay shipping for. I did not have to pay anything for. At the end of the day, I just had to do reviews and get paid. So if I see things like that, I don't go for it. So don't stress yourself and start paying money to say, oh, after all, it's free thing. It's not free thing, you're paying for it. Okay, the one that is free will come for you. The ones that are free, you will see, they will give you a form to fill. You will put in your address, you will put in everything, and then you submit. They will not ask you for a kobo, they will not ask you for a penny, they will not ask you for anything. So write brands, keep on writing brands, write brand. If you're thinking of what you're going to write, go to AI. I talked about this in the live video. Go to AI, tell AI that I need a proposal. Please help me write a proposal on a brand deal. You just put the name. The AI will write everything for you, just for you to copy it and edit. So you edit it and then put in what you want to put in. always make sure that you talk about where you are from, because most times they'll say we don't ship to this place, or we've not started doing things in this country. Write where you are, your name. It's like a letter. You're telling the brand, this is why you need to get me this thing, this is what I do, and my audience are going to relate with your product and all of that. So you write it down. Write your subscribers. If you're using TikTok, if you're using Instagram, if you're using, write all of the, write your subscribers there as well. Then tell them this is the reason why you have to pick me, because this, my my content is all about this, my engagement is just talk about, give them a breakdown on everything, and tell them what you're going to do. If you want a paid collaboration, you can say that if you want them to give you a product for free in exchange for review, you can tell them to give you products in exchange for review, and write how you're going to do it. So you tell them, and when you received it, you're going to post on all your social media for them. If you have two YouTube, you can tell them you can post on your two YouTube, your two Instagram, two TikTok, and all of that. They like hearing all those things because their head, oh, it's going to go, far. Write all those things down. Write that you're going to post on your shorts, you're going to post on your long form, you're going to post on your reels. Just let them know everything like that. Just break it down for them, just like that. And most of them will reply you, most of them will not reply you, but don't stop writing. Okay, keep on writing, keep on writing, keep on growing your channel, and make sure it's your niche you're writing to. If you're the type that deal with fashion, beauty, and all of that, reach out to brands that will go through your channel and be like, okay, this person can talk about our brand because this person does this there. If you're skincare, look for skincare products to write about. All those, if you're talking about phones, unboxing, all these things, write to those companies, tell them this is what you do, they will give. Have you not seen those people that come out and give phone reviews? They give them those phones for free, like for free, just for them to give reviews, and most of them, they tend to pay. Those phones, they pay hair, especially for wigs and all of that, they tend to pay. So if you're the type that does wigs or installing natural, how to grow your natural hair and all that, write to brands, tell them that this is what you would like to try out their product, give reviews, as your subscribers like to know products to use, and all of that. Like I said, I'll be doing a video on how you can grow your YouTube channel. If this is something you guys would like to be seeing on the channel as well, leave your comment below, because I have been in this game for a while, and trust me, I'm not going to lie. I'm going to tell you guys from my own experience how everything is. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, so lastly, this is something that is very important, and I don't want to forget it, is that your profile on your YouTube, edit it. Okay, there's a place for link. There are places you write, hi, my name is this channel is all about this, that. Make sure your email is there. Your description box, make sure your email is always there, so that if they want to communicate with you, they know that, okay, this is the email they can use in communicating with you. Nobody's going to start stressing yourself. Always make sure your email is there. Let me try and see if I can get something what I'm talking about for you guys. Okay, so oh, my battery is low. Okay, so just like this. So yeah, this part here is where my email is. This is my description on my page. As you can see, this is my page, and then you see I'll use back camera for you guys. So this is it, and then this is the description. So you come here and write your things, but make sure your email address is written there, just for if brands want to reach you. Okay.